In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this math question easily and fast. So the question is under statistics. Let's look at it and see whether it's something we need a calculator to solve faster. So the question says the frequency table summarizes the 57 data values in a data set. What is the maximum data value in the data set? Okay, so guys, looking at this question, this is very cheap. Alright, you don't even need the calculator at all to solve this question. So just looking at this question, I already identified that the answer is 14. Okay, so this is the column for data value, this is the column for frequency. So the data value 14 has a frequency of 6. Okay, this 14 value we have here is the highest number listed, so this shows us that the maximum data value in the data set maximum is highest, right? So the maximum is 14. 14 will answer this question. So it's as simple as this. So this is how you can deal with this kind of problem easily and fast. You don't even need a calculator to punch to figure the answer out. So just looking at it, having basic understanding that this is what it will be. So hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share and comment on the video. Now if what I learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you share part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information on how to deal with other similar sort of math questions you'll be encountering or meeting. Okay, so having done this, click the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.